Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the door glass on the inner panel of your washer. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new door glass for your washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. This part is made of a clear plastic even though it is called the door glass. It also is sometimes called a door insert. If your door glass is broken, water may leak from the front of the washer, or your clothes may snag and tear during the wash cycle. To access the door glass, we'll first need to open the washer's door. Using a T20 Torx, remove these 4 screws holding the door to the washer. With the screws removed, lift the door to remove it. Then, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Using a T15 Torx, remove the 2 screws holding the door strike to the door. Gently pry on the top of the door strike to remove it from the door. Using a T15 Torx, remove these 15 screws. Carefully separate the inner and outer door panels and set the outer door panel aside for later. Then, locate these 3 retainer clips holding the glass to the inner door panel. Gently pry the retaining clips open to remove the glass from the door. If you need to purchase a new door glass, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, line this notch on the bottom of the glass to the bottom of the door. Then, lift the inner door panel till the retainers snap into place. Align the inner door to the outer door and install these 15 screws. To help avoid breaking or damaging the plastic mounts and threads, we suggest installing these screws by hand and making sure not to over-tighten them. Work your way around the door to be sure that the inner and outer panels are connected and flush on all sides. Align the door strike to the door with the flat edge facing the bottom of the door. Insert the bottom into the door and push the top into place and install the 2 screws. Align the door to the front panel of the washer so these 2 retainers set into these slots. Secure the door into place with the 4 T20 screws and make sure that the door closes properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.